This is how we start it. We
Okay.
start by talking to the people. And we tell the people, hey guys, hey, it's me, Jason J. Daniel. I'm here at Vandalay Hair Industries. It used to be my salon, but not anymore, right? This is Maddie.
Hi.
So what are we doing today on you?
We're doing a color.
We're doing a color. We're gonna change your color. Let's turn around. Turn around, show the people what's going on. So this is the before, and we're gonna work on the haircut. Guys, she has a lot of different diffused kind of interesting blonde warm tones, and we don't want warm tones, right?
No.
No warm tones. So we're gonna go in the salon. You're gonna watch us throughout today's adventure, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna transform. And hopefully by the end of the day, you're gonna be happy, right?
Yes.
If not, trouble. Good, excited? Okay, so we have saran wrap on her because the saran wrap helps us keep the bleach moist, and then I can see what's going on when it's processing. And then here, we trimmed up her hair a little bit. There was some edges I needed to clean up. I'm going to hand paint up in here, up in here, up in here. That button right there?
Shut up.
How do I look? All right, guys, so I'm using Wella Blondor. I love Blondor. It's got this blue, ultra cool blonde. See my nails? Look at that. I'm a colorist. Look at that. Or I'm goth.
Gross.
What do you think? Is it gross? Don't.
Ew.
Where's your face? Your face is... She doesn't want to be seen. There she is. It's got toner in it as well. So one of the secrets, guys, that I'm going to show you is that I'm using a combination. Even though this is the ultra cool blonde, I actually have a little bit of white Wella toner in here as well. See that? Ooh, right now I'm going to certainly measure that. I like to mix because I like the toning power of this, but I also like the power of this white bleach, which has extra levels of lift. So we can push it to 5 levels, maybe 7. I don't think we need that much. We're going to push it. And then I'm going to use 30 volume. I'm going to use Finola. So there you go, guys. That's 1 scoop. All right, so this is looking fun. It's looking kind of nice. So right here we've got some old blonding. See that? See this? See that? See the difference? Old blonding. Oh my God, it's so good. Look at that. I diffuse that out right there. See? See, now it looks more like that. This has got a little, it's a little thicker. See, there's a little bit of ashiness in there? Where am I at? Right there. See that ashiness? You can see that in the light. Wow. That's that yellow coming right out. Okay, guys, so now you see I smoothed that out. We'll trim those ends. So I'm not overly saturating the very ends, but you can see where I'm saturating the mid shaft down to ends. You can see our pattern. It's our first level right here. Then we're going to jump to the rest in a second. This I'm going to section separately. I just need to pull that out of the way. And then we're going to actually bring those down. So there's the camera right there. All right, guys, I'm using Framar, my new brush. It's a little brush for the little pieces of hair right here. See how it's angled? So we can kind of hand paint that on. There you go. Watch this. Watch this, everybody. Friends and neighbors. Do you like it? Is that a sexy voice I'm using?
No, it's
hey,
creepy.
Hey, everybody, watch this. It's way creepy. Hey, guys, watch this. And that's kind of
that's normal.
Is that normal?
I don't know.
Do I normally talk like this?
I
Okay,
don't
so see that? See how it's angled? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. So this piece is super blonded already. See how it's yellowy? But we want to tone that out. We'll be using Ultra Platinum Toner by Paul Mitchell later on to tone that out. But right now, I'm going to create a nice pattern. We don't want to oversaturate that too much because it's very blonde. Just going to paint that through. There you go. Okay, guys. So far this is what we're looking at. I just wanted to give you guys a chance to see how happy she is. So happy.
So happy.
See, our patterns are tips look great. The reason why we're using the saran wrap is to keep it moist so that the bleach continues to work. And I can kind of see what's going down in there. It's kind of tough to see the naked eye. You can see it a little better because it's like the light's really reflecting. We're in good shape. We're doing good. Okay, so we rinse the ends just so I can get a feel for where we're at. Looking good. We're about to do the sides. I am taking my time with this because I'm doing a lot of extra hand painting on it. But I love where we're going here. All right, so guys, look at this. I put some Shea Beverly Hills Everyday Shampoo on really quick just to pull out any extra bleach in here. And pumped up that cuticle. And then now we're gonna put some purple shampoo on here as well. How you feeling?
Great.
Great. Look at this transition. It's looking really gorgeous. This is no toner, guys, of course. No toner. This light makes it look a little ashy. It's not as ashy as it might seem on the video. Are you exhausted?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, am I exhausting you?
Yes.
Good. So we're ready to tone. We're gonna use Paul Mitchell UTP to tone. Let's see here. Look at this, pretty nice, right? I'm getting you all seasick, but we're happy. We're almost there, so we will need to tone it. All right, so I want to let you guys know we're almost to toning time. Okay, guys, we're gonna use just a little 6 p.m. and of course UTP. That's the big gun. I may put a little color shot in there. Don't know. But I'm certainly going to add a little PM Shines in here for clear shine inside the UTP. Let's see how it goes. Super stoked. Okay, guys, so we had a little bit of fun on this one. We added a color shot to the toner, some clear shines, UTP, and that's what we got. It took a long time to get there on that shot, but oh, I just dropped some of it. At least it wasn't on me or her. Well, I'm gonna put it on by hand anyway, so it should just go everywhere. All right, let's knock this out. See, it's a little bit brassy. Oh my gosh, everybody. Oh my God. Look at this. So it's wet, but it's really dope. We just put a toner in. Feeling good?
Yes.
We love it.
Yes.
You should see it dry, everybody, and maybe you will. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a cut on it, and we're gonna dry it, but look at where we were at before. Now look at where we're at. Nice patterns. Look at that. Has them right and zoomed in on it, super gorgeous. You guys saw the special formula we used, and we're really, really happy. Okay, so let's get to the haircut. We'll style you up. And then I walked over to, well, I drove to Starbucks and was sitting there drinking my coffee.
Yes.
All right, so we're done. We're finishing up a blow drying. See, it's a real blow dryer. So what do you think, huh?
I love it.
What?
I love it.
Oh, she loves it. All right, we've had a great time. Talk about your experience here with me.
It's been really long, but really great.
It's been really great.
Long day.
You're like, trust me, you hate me now, but you're gonna love me tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, so what did you want to get accomplished? When we came in?
Platinum, balayage,
Pale, cool tones?
yes,
We're getting there?
yes.
Nice. All right, guys, here it is. What do you think, huh? I was only able to curl a portion of it because I've kept her here way too long, so ignore that other part, but so good. Turn around just a little bit. What do you think, guys? It's really great. How do you feel?
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
Love's a good word. Guys, we did it. Look at this. She looks great. She's always gorgeous before she met me. Now she's super gorgeous after she met me, and now she's never gonna leave me alone because she loves her hair. How do you feel?
I feel good.
You feel really good?
Yes.
Yeah, you know, we don't have a lot of natural light right here, but I'm gonna flip her around. This is the best part about the job, guys. I get to push the girls around. All right, look at that. We did some partial half curls just for the photo shoot. You know how I am. Only do the curls when I have to. What do you think, huh?
I love it.
You love it? Look
Yes.
at this. Really, really fun. She loves her. She's like involved in it. All right, so before I let you go, what was the best part about this experience?
Getting it done the right way.
The right way.
Finally getting what I wanted.
Getting what you wanted the right way. Well, it's been a lot of fun.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right, I'll see you soon. All right, guys, follow me on the internet anywhere at Jason J. Daniel on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and then you can also see me here at Vandalay Hair Industries. Have a great day. Bye.